In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to utilize the EZVPFI system to complete your inspections. Well, you notice that you got an email that had some inspections in it, and you know something in red. And basically what that's saying is we need you to log in and accept or decline the properties. We ask you not to do what you used to, which is to respond to the email and say that you'll take them or to call us. Now everything will be done through the system. So you want to log in and accept or decline the properties in the system. And let's go ahead and do that. You go to the EZVPFI.com and you'll log in with your username and password. If you don't have your password or you cannot remember it, click on Forgot Password and follow the directions. Okay, once you log in, you'll notice that there's a new button up here called VPFI Work Orders. You want to go to Work Orders, and you'll have two tabs here. One will be your pending assignments, and one will be your accepted work orders. When you log in the first time, you'll notice that you have some inspections here. We want you to accept or decline from this tab. So if you accept something, and it will go over to your accepted work orders. So let's go over to the accepted work orders, and you'll notice that you'll have the inspections. I had one in my accepted work orders already, so the other one that we just accepted came over here. And you'll have the ability to get your work order and also upload your inspection. So let's go ahead and click on the work order, and you can get your work order from your PC or your mobile. I'll show you the mobile after I show you the PC. And what you'll see in your work order is the address. You have a link to a map. You have your case ID, work order ID, the type of inspection. You'll notice if it's not a periodic, we want you to open all the cabinet doors in the kitchen. If it is a periodic, it'll say periodic after this. That means you do not have to. The other things I want to point out is that you have the broker name, the broker phone number, and the broker email, and of course the lockbox code. Now if you come across one that says it is verification failed, that means that the address is probably one of the non-911 addresses, and you'll have to call the broker and get the proper address. So again, if it says verification failed, that means you'll need to contact the broker. And also, if it's a UTE or a UTL, you can't get in, we need you to call the broker and try to get in. Okay? The broker's phone number will be available to you. It'll also be available to you on your phone, which I'll show you in a couple of minutes. And that is your work order. Now let's go back over here, and you'll notice that there's an upload. Now rather than going to the old uploader, which is the ez-uploader.php, this will be the way you upload your images in your report from now on. So let's click on the upload, and this will be your upload screen. And there is a video on how to upload your inspections. The one thing I will point out is that we ask you to make sure that your pictures are over 640 and 640 by 480. In the old uploader, we asked you to get as close to this as possible. For this particular uploader, it needs to be over 640 by 480 and not hugely over, please. Just the fact that it doesn't really like exactly 640 by 480 images. If it's 645 by 485 or 800 by 600, it really loves that. So again, you just would click on Add Files, and you select all your files if you want to. Then you click Start Upload. And you'll notice as you go on how it works, and it's very easy and very user-friendly. Okay, now the other thing we spoke about was the mobile. Now, if you signed up for our our texting service, you'll get alerts when you get properties, and it'll have a little link in it, and the link will open up the mobile login. So let's go ahead and log out of here real quick, and I'll show you that. You'll get your link, and if you didn't sign up for the alerts, you can still get to your mobile login. And I'll show you how to do that. Let's go over to here, and I'm going to do a refresh because it's actually already in there. And the way that you can get to it, if you haven't signed up for the text alerts, You just go to your browser inside of your mobile, Chrome or however you do it, and you type in EZVPFI.com just as you do when you log in to the PC side. However, you're going to add lga.php. So again, that's EZVPFI.com/lga.php. And we ask you not to go to the EZVPFI.com, the PC side, which as you can see here, that has login. This has mobile login. You want to make sure you log into the mobile side. And you will have the link if you've signed up for the text alerts. So let's go ahead and log in real quick. Same thing, same password, same login. And what this will do is it's not as robust as the PC side, but it does allow you to accept your work orders. If you log in, we ask you to log in throughout the day and see if you have new inspections that come in. And it's just like the PC side. You can accept or decline the job. So as you can see, you have 2 unassigned inspections that you need to accept or decline. Let's go ahead and accept Highview Avenue. We accept it, and it'll show you this saying that you've accepted the case 2V. You're going to have to hit your back on your browser, and you'll notice it's dropped off of your unassigned list. And what it's done is it's gone ahead and added it to your assigned work orders. And this is the same thing as the PC side. You'll see all your work orders that you have assigned to you right here. You can get a hold of the work order. So if you're out in the field, you don't have to print them out at the house or whatever, but you still can do it that way. Or you can just go to the mobile side and click on work order, and it'll give you the same work order. I'm on a PC showing you this, but you can imagine that this will be your phone. It has the same information. So if, for example, you get to a property and it has verification failed, or you can't locate it, or the key's not there, or something like that, you can get a hold of the broker name and the broker phone number and contact them and ask them what's going on. We ask you to please do this, okay? If you can't get a hold of the broker, you can call Sandy on her cell, or you can call the office, and one of us will help you out. But we do ask you to please try to get a hold of the broker yourself. And you can also get a map if you like that kind of feature. And later on, you'll give the opportunity to upload your images to this. And that's why we're asking you not to log in from the PC side, because it does have the uploader there, but it's not going to work properly over the phone right now. So go ahead and just use this to get your work orders. And that is all there is to it for right now, guys. I appreciate it, and if you have any other questions, please call us. You can call Sandy or myself. I'm John. Call us at the office at 770-693-1899, or you can call Sandy's cell, which is 404-210-4556. All right, thanks, guys.